Good morning, fellow hair loss people. So last week we had exciting news, and this week we have some more exciting news. Recently, Mark Cuban came out with a new website called Cost Plus Drugs. This new platform allows the sale of drugs, generic brand only, to be sold without the markup of a middleman. So what that looks like is I currently get a prescription from CVS for Finasteride. It's 1 milligram. I get 30 pills roughly, 30 days worth. And what happens, that cost after going through my insurance costs somewhere between $30 and $35 per month is what I pay. On Mark Cuban's new website, he has the same exact pill that I take, the generic version of Finasteride, and it's $4.50 plus $5 shipping for a 30-day supply, which is like, less than a third of the cost. But here's where it gets even better. So if I were to get Finasteride for 3 months, that ends up totaling somewhere right around $100. If you do the same 3-month supply through Mark Cuban's new website, Cost Plus Drugs, it ends up being about $12, which is a savings of, let's call it $85, $90, which is huge because when you start taking this medicine, you have to take it every single day to fight against hair loss. It's important, to get those cost savings. So full disclosure, I haven't used it yet. I'm currently in the process of transferring my prescription from where it currently is, CVS. My doctor has to send a new one to Cost Plus Drugs, but I will keep everyone in the loop for how it goes. I can't get over the price. It's just unbelievable. A big thing too is that actually, if you don't have insurance, this is definitely the way to go because they don't go through your insurance company. It's totally independent, and that's kind of their way of getting the cost down so much, is that they don't have to go through any of the insurance providers. This is generic Finasteride they get straight from the manufacturer, which allows for just a huge cost cut. So I'll make sure to include the link for his website down in the description below. This is definitely a big breakthrough for many guys that are struggling with the costs of Finasteride or just trying to look to cut their costs in general. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for my future videos. Thank you.